You guys, it's Robbie. We're gonna play some Watch Dogs because why not? Oh, sorry about that. If you know Watch Dogs, then then you might get a hang of it. I can't show you my first part of the. I'm on Act 2, which is a very long way. There's like 20. And if my voice sound good, then say in the comments, not comics. And I hope this gets better to like more than the views get even better. And you could tell in the comments what do I have to work on. Haley has to work on so much. Cleaning her room, doing in good shape. Haley always turns off the light. She always hibernates in her room. Well, I'm just doing it for once. And with a good talk. And I want to show you this. It's just as weird and strange. When you walk out, there would be a guy. It's not connected, so outside, watch this. Oh dang. If you don't like these games that has guns in it, well, if you'll do, then I hope you subscribe to this channel. Because I'm going to do some if you send the comments. Just trying to do random videos. Guys, I might have to have quiet, but you guys can talk with your friends and show your friends how dumb I am. Or good.